Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I am going to pick this Master Lock 410. Now this does not have the normal keyway. This is a 400B keyway. It is fairly wide open. Bidding on the key. It's got kind of a very, very stiff core. Have not picked this yet, so I'm gonna, tensioning is kind of weird, you can see, but still fairly wide open, so. That might be in my way, I'm not sure. Try a different tensioner on these guys. Yeah, that's not quite as far over. Light tension. One, two, three, four, five. Click on 6. Click on 5. Let that go though, because it kind of felt spongy after that. There's a good click and movement on the core. Counter rotation. I think I might have overset it, so I'll let that go. I'm gonna move over to 15th thou just to clear that warding all the way, because I could feel it making some contact there. Overset that. Back into the false set. Hey, there we go. I had gotten a different order with that spool. It was at the back instead of towards the front. Nice. Very, very cool. Sweet. Well, there we have it. Again, keyless entry, thank you so much. Everybody else, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.